guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to video number 9. Today I'm just bringing you this drugstore makeup look. I don't want to be rambling too much, so if you like the way that this looks, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so today I'm going to start off by moisturizing my face like always, and I'm going to use my e.l.f. moisturizer. Oh my god, this is the first time that I filmed so late, and like, can we talk about this view? Oh my god, that looks pretty. Oh my gosh, this feels so good because I literally washed my face like a while ago and I forgot to moisturize. Oh, I love this moisturizer. And then I'm just going to go ahead and just moisturize my lips, or like prime my lips, or however you want to call it, with this e.l.f. Ride or Die lip balm in shade Mighty Minty. And I'm just rubbing my lips together. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and just do my brows. As we all know, I always speed up this process because it takes me forever. And I'm just going to be using my NYX micro brow pencil in shade black like always. And I just want to let you guys know, if you guys hear any noises in the back, it's just like everybody's home and I'm struggling today to film this video. So yeah. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and just clean my brows. They look like, I don't even think they know each other at this point, but I'm just going to go ahead and just try to clean them up using my COLOURPOP concealer in shade medium 90W and just my Morphe brush. Right now I'm just going to go ahead and just try to blend this out using my brush from BH Cosmetics. So these are the brows, but like, I cannot deal. It looks so beautiful. That looks like a picture, but like, sometimes we forget to appreciate the little things in life, and this sunset right here, beautiful. So I'm just going to go ahead and just move on to eyes because my eyebrows are just, you already know how this is. And I'm going to start out by using my e.l.f. palette in White Peach, and I'm going to be using the matte shade. So I filmed a video already and I honestly did not like it at all. I don't know, like, I feel like I didn't like the makeup because I was doing my makeup to go to work, and I don't really like try that hard. Like, honestly, I just throw some makeup on and that's it. But like, I was in a rush, so I didn't like how it turned out, but that's fine. We can do something now. Then I'm just going to go ahead and move on to my LA Girl palette. This is Keep It Playful. I think that's how it's called. Oh, it's called Downplay. And I'm going to be using this color right here. I already used this palette in one of my videos, like my second video. I'm proud of myself because I've been keeping this consistent for almost like 2 months, or like 2 months already. It's so much fun. I love it. I love sitting down and just doing my makeup, even if it's like the same makeup look every day using like different products. I just like enjoy it so much. It's like therapy. I mean, not that I need therapy, but like, I actually do need therapy, but like, whatever. Actually going to take this color down here, and I'm going to take this big fluffy brush, and I'm going to like place this like over here. And I'm going to go in over the edges with this tiny brush that I use for this color. And I'm just going to just try to blend the edges. Take this black shadow, this black eyeshadow right here, and this little angle brush, and I'm just going to line my lash line just for whenever like I apply my lashes. So then right now I'm just going to go ahead and just put on my lashes. I'm going to be using my Kiss Clear Lash Glue, and then my Ardell lashes in Oh, these are extension FX. These are C Curl. And then for mascara, I'm just going to be using my Essence mascara, the Lash Princess. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply a tiny bit of this. So far this video is a fucking disaster. Like, I always struggle so much to put on my lashes. I don't even know why I try to do that anyways, but like, I like them, so at least I try. I got mascara on my lid and it's just not coming off, so we're going to have to deal with that. We're going to move on to face right now, and I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution foundation in shade F12. And I think this is going to be, look at my, oh my god, whatever. I think this is going to look good on camera since this light is so bright, but I do think it's a little bit darker in person. And I'm just going to go ahead and start blending this in with my sponge. I don't like the smell of this foundation. Like, I think it smells a lot like chemicals or like makeup. I don't know how to explain it. Honestly, I'm just risking my fucking ass right now with this foundation because it always makes me break out. But like, this is like the best drugstore foundation that I have. So right now, I'm just going to go ahead and just do my concealer. I'm going to be using the same concealer that we used before. Obviously, the ColourPop concealer. And I'm just going to put this under my eyes over here. And then I just want to apply a little bit of this, like, to the outer part of my eye. And then here. So I went ahead and used my Makeup Revolution concealer in shade 14. And I'm just trying to create a little bit of like a contour situation, or like bronzer. Because I only have like a powder bronzer. I don't have any like anything that's really dark. So I just wanted to use this. And then first I'm going to go ahead and just blend out the contour shade that we just applied. Then I'm just going in with my sponge and just blending in this concealer. So yeah, I'm just blending this concealer. I don't know if this is the right sponge to blend this out with, but like, I'm having a little bit of a hard time blending this concealer. Then right now, I'm just going to go ahead and just try to blend my contour on my nose. So we are all finished with creams. Right now I'm going to go ahead and just powder my face. Can you believe that I only have one drugstore powder? Like, girl. Because I just have this one. I've had this for like years. I bought this at Walmart and I've been using it ever since. I love this one. It's not bad. Oh, this is the only thing that I don't like about this powder, that I think I just took a little bit, and then once I look at the sponge, it's just like, oh fuck, this is too much. I'm pressing this into the skin. I know it's a lot of powder, but I'm gonna like dust it off anyways. I am just baking my nose right now. I'm just going to leave it to bake. And then I'm just going to like powder the rest of my face. What the fuck is this? Oh my god. Send help. Send freaking help. Send freaking help today, because oh my god, this video. I'm going to take this big fluffy brush and then just try to work that powder into my face. So right now I'm going to go ahead and move on to bronzer, and I'm going to use my Essence Matte Bronzing Powder in shade 2. And I'm just going to bronze my face. By the way, I'm using my Morphe M523 brush. So I went ahead and applied a little bit of powder down here just to bake that part of my face, to add a little bit of definition since this bronzer is not really that dark. And I'm going to go ahead and apply blush right now. I'm going to be using my Milani blush, and I'm going to be using my Morphe 510 brush. I'm going to go ahead and switch the brush, and I'm going to be using this brush that is a little bit more dense. Then right now I'm just going to go ahead and just dust this powder off. So this is pretty much it. Right now I'm just going to go ahead and set my makeup. I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray, Hyaluronic Fix Setting Spray. And I'm just going to go ahead and just set this makeup in place so it won't move for like 5 minutes while I take these pictures, and then just take the makeup off like always. And I just want to make this a little bit more dramatic. Like, I never do these, but I'm going to add mascara to my bottom lashes. And lastly, we can just move on to lips, and I'm going to be using my NYX lip pencil in shade Nutmeg. And I'm just going to go ahead and just line my lips really quick. Just going to fill them in. Then lastly, I'm just going to go ahead and add the lipstick, and I'm going to be using this Maybelline shade Fighter 75. Okay, this looks so fucking good. Like this is me giving you guys like fall vibes during summertime, because I'm a basic ass bitch and I just do browns and nudes, and that's okay. The final look, you guys, like, okay, she's pretty on a budget. Like, this turned out so cute. Like, I'm feeling myself. I always say that after I do my makeup, but like, it's true. I was not expecting anything bad from these products because obviously I've tried them before, but like, drugstore makeup right now is coming in hot, and it's the perfect opportunity for us to be saving these coins, honey, because baby, we're gonna go broke. So yeah, if you like the way that this makeup looks, then don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe, because I see that a lot of you guys are watching the videos but you're actually not subscribed. So don't forget to do that and turn on the notifications so you can see whenever I'm posting a video. Thank you for watching.